Dave here. Dave's Model Car Shop. Just a little update on the Thunder Poop. The interior's done. Not much to look at. It's kind of plain. The chassis pieces are done. I don't really have much left to do. The motor's done. It's a little V6. I was hoping when I opened the kit that it was a 302, but it's a supercharged 3.8, so it's a turd. I have the rear view mirror done with a little bit of Mod Podge, and the body is clearly painted in 80s fashion. Teal. Other than that, she's coming along rather well considering the year of the kit, because it's that kit right there. And, you know, it's going pretty well. I have to do the trim around the windows, across the roof, and down the side. All the panels are drying because I done screwed them up, and I just have to put the glass in. And the side mirrors are here. So other than that, she's coming along. Like I said, I was hoping it was a 302. I was going to put a 302 in it. I was going to pull it out of a Mustang that I have, but I didn't feel like jerking around with all the modifications it takes to put it in, so I'm over it. So I just want to get it done. But here it is. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what I need to do to make the channel better. I'm trying, just not going as well as I thought. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.